Medical marijuana is now legal in Alabama. Governor Kay Ivey signed the bill into law earlier today. In a matter of months, cannabis products could be available to those who qualify. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Naja Sherman.
And I'm Dan Schaefer. We want to get straight to Way 31's Megan Reyna. She spoke with both activists and a doctor about the significance of this moment. Megan?
Activist Melissa Mullins has been lobbying for this issue for nearly 3 years. She suffers from chronic pain. Her husband has epilepsy and her daughter is on the autism spectrum. So all three may qualify under this new law. So as you can imagine, when Governor Ivey signed it, she was relieved.
I'm really thankful for that.
Mullins isn't the only Alabamian celebrating the governor's signature. For Farr Christopher, she never imagined Alabama would pass this type of legislation.
This would be a natural alternative, like I said, and I think that it's just this is just such a big day for Alabama.
She suffers from PTSD and says she has yet to find medication that truly works for her without harsh side effects. Under this law, doctors with additional licensing can recommend products to patients as long as there is medical proof of their symptoms or condition and other methods have not worked.
Medical cannabis will not be prescribed or recommended as the first or second or even third therapy, probably.
Dr. Jerzy Slavarsky is a professor at UAB and has studied CBD oil. He believes this will positively affect a large group of patients suffering. While he says it's possible for people to abuse the new law, he believes it's unlikely.
The chance of being addicted to cannabis is lower than the chance of being addicted to alcohol or chance of being addicted to opioid medications that physicians prescribe on a daily basis. So the physician and the patient will have to monitor that.
He says there are requirements for checkups to ensure the treatment is working. In addition, patients who receive a medical cannabis card will not be able to buy products that can be smoked or vaped. Instead, they can buy tablets, capsules, gel cubes, and other forms of medical marijuana. For Mullins, she thinks about how her husband, who takes several medications for epilepsy, can't enjoy everyday life. Now her family has hope.
And that was the whole point of the bill, was to give people an option that do not respond to pharmaceuticals. That was the whole purpose.
It will be up to each doctor whether or not they want to become licensed to recommend cannabis cards. As far as when those cannabis cards or when those products at dispensaries will be available, officials say it could be more than a year. Reporting live in Huntsville, Megan Reyna, Way 31 News.
The law also creates an oversight commission that will oversee everything from cultivating the plants to dispensing the drug.